The OnePlus 6 is easily OnePlus's best looking phone to date. Curved glass back, it is beautiful, but it's also available in an even better looking version if you're an Avengers fan. The special Avengers Infinity War Edition OnePlus 6 is available exclusively in India, and I took a look at one earlier today. On the front of the box, you can see the Avengers logo has this kind of Kevlar finish to it, and that reflects a special edition phone's color. Only this phone is available in it. OnePlus logo at the top, Marvel logo below the Avengers logo. No indication it's a OnePlus 6 in here, but I assure you it is. We can take a look around the sides, and you've got a gold trim around the side of all of the box, suggesting that this phone will indeed have a gold element. That's where you can see that this is the OnePlus 6. Around the back, you can also see some key information about the product. OnePlus Carbon Black, that's the name of it, and this version is available in 256 gigabyte capacities. So you've got all the storage you will ever need. There is also a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 in here, so tons and tons of power as well. So that is the box, a very good looking box, but what you really care about is what is inside. Bam! First thing you can see on the right hand side, Avengers Infinity War logo, OnePlus logo, and the phone with a little tab at the bottom so you can pull it out of this crevice right here. On the right of the phone, you can also see the slider is gold, so that is clearly reflected in the box highlight. Around the back, you can see you can pull off this tab, and the tab indicates that it takes 2 SIM card slots, no SD card. And as I peel it off, it really does showcase that really beautiful looking Kevlar pattern. Its reflective glass back feels nice and premium, and there is also an Avengers logo as well. Fingerprint scanner, dual camera setup. Turning it around, and you can see the Avengers wallpapers take center stage. 18:9 screen. There is a notch at the top, pre-fitted screen protector as well to keep it free from scratches. Like I said, fingerprint scanner is at the back, so on the front you've got no real distractions. But what about the rest of the box? Open up the left side and you can see there is a card. There has a little statement about the word infinity. Putting that to one side, you can also see on the other side a dash charger. Now you'll notice this dash charger isn't UK, it isn't Europe, this is an India exclusive. So that's why it looks like this. Dash charging will get you a lot of battery in very, very little time. If you think that's all the Infinity War stuff that this phone possesses, you will be wrong, because if we open up this box right here, you've got an Iron Man case. So it is a much beefier, much more protective case than that comes with the original OnePlus 6. You've also got a nice token illustrating just what a big Avengers and OnePlus 6 fan you are, and we got the Thor one, guessing that these come in different variants with different superheroes on them. And that is nice and metal and flipping open. The only other remaining piece of box contents we haven't covered, you've got some literature, you've got some safety information, you've got some OnePlus stickers and Avengers stickers, as well as a micro SIM eject tool, or a nano SIM eject tool. The final point to note is that the Avengers Edition OnePlus 6 also features exclusive wallpapers to this device. So as I scroll through, you can see you have Thanos right there, you have the gems, you've got a range of other superhero wallpapers, and of course the original traditional OnePlus 6 wallpapers. The rest of the phone, plenty powerful. 8 gigabytes of RAM on here. Like I said, 256 gigabytes of storage, running Android, all the app support you're gonna need. But if you wanna know more about this phone, you'll wanna check out all our OnePlus 6 coverage on techradar.com.